iDiskiTimes, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. A lot of Pirates won, Uthongathi 0 in the Nedbank Cup on a Saturday afternoon. Decent game, decent outing for Uthongathi because it wasn't really a drubbing. They didn't disappoint themselves. They were not embarrassed. On the side of Orlando Pirates, of course, they could have done better. The field could have allowed them to play better, but you could see the pitch wasn't really that good. Of course, Junior Khanye is our analyst. He's going to tell us what happened in this game. Otherwise, winner Junior, you satisfied with what you saw today? Do you think there was a gap between the professional team and the team at Great Africa Championship? How did you see the game?
Yeah, first of all, it's ngibulise wena Nkululeko. Ngibulise uJustice, ngibonise uBenedicto Vilakazi. Utukutuku utsho. Yeah, uncane. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV. Will never disappoint, honestly. Fighting no one. Yeah, Nkululeko, very
gap between the two teams. Could you see which one was professional and the other was a top flight team?
Yeah, first thing disappointed ngale ground mfethu. Orlando nange derby ama team mawungacheka ugcina ungasaboni ukuthi ama team what they were trying to apply yabo. Eyifuna ticket deep kuzobona. Yeah. I-pitch le Orlando I think i-train yakhona system le training system ayispani kahle yabo cause mawungacheka i-grounding nga 20 minutes uthola ukuthi noma i-team ithi yaphasa ibhola thola labambeka okanye kube nebham njengale bhola lela kalomjida lomnari iyakutshela lapha kunebham nyana if you azange kube nala bham I'm sure le bhola belizwa lafuna ukuthi le khona i-game ama team first the first whistle which my team first 10 minutes in Gulego benga understand with the Pirates na Uthongathi what they were trying to do ngoba iPirates beyidlala imove ball around mar benga create ama chances Uthongathi as well they were playing but try ukuthi ba find out bazithole ngoba bebangafika wafe Pirates bebadlala yafini yabo bengasi threat joba ngisho first 10 minutes after 10 minutes iPirates Lorch I could see the coach ibekwe listing ukuthi le 4-2-3-1 the coach wanted these three especially because ngoba ama fullback kwePirates bewangahambi namhlanje njengoba ngisho after 10 minutes you could see ukuthi barilike kulabantu abayi-trap up front bebalandela uyangiqaka ucoach wayenze kanje bebalandela beku uLorch number 10 which is bengifeel ukuthi mina uLorch ayika right lo mfana lo Ndlovu angene phakathi bezoba much better uyenzile kanjalo ucoach uthatha uLorch wambeka la phakathi wazo number 10 ka right wadlalisa uNdlovu more static mawungamcheka noWotto beka more wide mhlawumbe uWotto bekayenza lento ukuthi umayela kahambi mara mawudlala kanjalo it must now as a player experienced player melikutshele you must check for instance right back yakho mayiphethe ibhola so you come in you understand ngikhuluma right back yakho mayiphethe ibhola and then you go out you spin ulibize mhlambe wide you understand u check right back yakho ukuthi iphethe ibhola ikuphi distance so mina bengi disappointed ngibona uWotto we Pirates iphethe ibhola umnare naye lomjito is stay wide noNdlovu and uNdlovu is not more comfortable banoWotto I think it boy to kule after that 15 minutes ngibona ingasebenzi lento le coach beyithi apply it was good if coach mhlambe ithathe yena mhlambe lo mfana locuku number 3 uLorch ayika right and then number 10 for instance ufaka umntambo kanye mina for me mangabe ubeke uMakaringe ngaphandle you put umntambo there and then ulo ayeka right uMakaringe uLorch bezoba much better you understand bese mhlambe bezoyinika ibalance Pirates in terms of attack manje mina ngibone i-more static iPirates noma ngabe after 15 minutes njoba ngisho ngithi ngibonile ukuthi after 15 minutes ngeke ngayibona lapho ukuthi iPirates what icoach zamkwenzani mara bengaspani because uWotto naye lo mfana lo Ndlovu they are not bebanga function and the system le 4-2-3-1 ifuna labantu labo number 10 wakho if you come deep nina nichu you must have movement ngoba more often nila more central ngikhuluma ngalomjita lo we striker uMhango iPirates face up njoba ngisho Nkululeko that was ilo yayo ngibonile they were trying to bezama kwenzani mara mina all in all ngibonile bazama kwenzani mara ngibona ngifunction
all right Uthongathi I mean they came here and I said in my intro that they would not be embarrassed today because they tried of course you could see look there wasn't too much quality Ofori didn't make too many saves Mbonchane made a save or two when he came in for Ofori Bona what could you say do you think that they have done themselves proud would they go home here confident that Uguti there's a reference point going forward. Uguti Nati we were able to play at a high level with a big team like Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, yabona as a player ngihlala ngisho mawudlala ibhola in a coaching yakho I think mina game if you are a ball player now, even a coaching yakho izo reflector to the way bonga khona. Upapi is ngibonile ebenchini khona upapi uzothwana. Team yakhe is more of a ball player. Ngibonile they play football abachita.
I think Upapi is an assistant coach, sorry to cut you.
But it's very influential. You could see we have an assistant very influential. Yeah, understand ile bengisayisho kule situation ka Dylan like no CM. If you come makafika uCM uyabona ama changes that team ukuthi they are more fluid. So Upapi I team le Uthongathi you can see ukuthi kuno Upapi uzothwana ebenchini. More fluid. The team they playing, you understand the ball. Though we criticize on this thing, first half, they couldn't go to Champions Center, beginning nervousness. Pinebani benefit of the doubt, but the Zantuana, Tlalaguchet Africa champions, Abanye, they are fans of Orlando Pirates, the reality. A blessing in disguise, Gibo, Abanya, it was something like Gibo. If you give me about this, a surprise, in reality, highly motivated but nervous. Bebafuna kuyenza lento ubabonile second half now they tried to babonile bebafika fine Pirates decision making yebashayile special second half abafana kule point le osholo ukuthi i positive ikhona nkuleko they played Orlando Pirates check Pirates individual talent they didn't play well Orlando Pirates individual talent uOtto le pass from ngikhuluma ngale it's a long ball from Nare athenela ngaphandle ene mangomcheck uzenzela individual that's why because bekamdlalisa ka right second half coach uOtto coming in uthathele run deep from like a square and then watrepela ngaphandle walibuyisa phakathi and then umbonile acceleration uMhango wa finish individual brilliant ayidlalanga kahle Pirates kule game mawungaba check bebadlala bebascattered. I could understand if bebaphinde babe scattered especially mabaphethe ibhola mabamarka babe close but igame bamarka badlala more scattered bebangakhona ukutholana and mawungambheka umuntu into benza ukuthi lento ingenzeki. That's why mina bengisuggest first half ukuthi by eliminate between Umnare futhi uBen mina bengizokhipha yena namhla ngoba Umnare was more functioning and since game Pirates Umnare was him functioning I love uBen mina but he was off was na game namhlanje for me ngoba ulanda amabhola too deep aphinde wadlala square. If you land too deep nkuleko mele ucheck ipositioning yakho before pass ibhola angeke upass ibhola ucheckile isquare mabalithatha ilento enziwe urevolt kutheka ingame Sundown kuba inkinga kuba ni hole ngoba mawuliphethe even Nare mhlambe you want to move angeke ucheck engele kuyo mhlamba move afuna ukumove forward you understand mawulipasa ncheckile nethu kuba inkinga. So all in all Uthongathi njengoba ubuyela back ku question yakho Uthongathi there's positive in terms of circulating the ball. I'm sure bale bayithathe lento bayise ku Africa Champions League ngikhuluma ngeleague yabo they must take it positive ukuthi iPirates ascoranga in terms ukuthi is outclassile iPirates they were not more dominant iPirates individual brilliant abawinele game thina we didn't take our chances especially second half sibeskwazi ukuthi eliminate abojele obi marking Jele I believe him and uHlatshwa namhla bene kuba wrong but ngiphinde ngiunderstand mina uJele ukuthi why lentwana le dlala right back we suspect ngiphinde ngiquestion futhi coach yePirates uNdlovu umfaka la emidlili ku right midfield up front kulabantu ababebalandela uMhango ngoba badlala 4-2-3-1 ka right yamsusumetha ku right back yabona ile question enginayo mamsusa ka right ifaka kunikanga eliminate okanye umfaka emidlini umisa ka right what are you trying to tell us uzama kwenzani kuleko I understand ikhona ukuthi ama player amanye abeversatile ilento abantu banokuthi ngibone la ku iDiskiTV sometimes abangibuze ukuthi Junior but why you become hard to bafethu thina ngathi sisabe reality yabo the guy njoba ngisho uNdlovu if umisa ka right udlala nga 4-2-3-1 umisa phambili a failure and then umethatha umletha ku right back mina kuyimi ngizoba ne question mark ku coach ukuthi bawumsusa la eliminate nkululeko angithi manje usuka lapha up front umside the back and then kuzoba inkinga game you've got abantu abanje abadlala right back abantu abadlala right back kunabo you understand what are you trying to tell us?
Yeah, no, I think in this instance I think in this game when we were looking at the bench you could see there was no defender, it was all attackers. The only defensive player was actually Umbonchane from the way that I saw it.
But he always see does this.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I get your point. I'm just saying in this. I mean, it's the same point every match that you mention, and it's true. Uguti, they always find a way to accommodate him. Midfield, bamfake right.
So all in all, game challenge every game was not the way being expecting a corner. Being a game intensity njengoba ngisho mhlambi ground imvule ukuthi kumanzi being a game ukuthi inice ukuthi singayibukela but ngoba kithi span we have to give abantu lento abafuna lethi nesibonile not abafuna ukuyizwa. It was not a game where by Pirates dominant the way we expecting a corner but win bengazi experience is win the game individual brilliant experience then one second half they didn't check their chances.
All right, last one, a couple of injuries. It looked like a war zone there. Amajona Lelipans Mhango at some point goes out, or for him not sure, but it looked like an injury goes out. I think with Lorch as well going out as well. It's a concern going forward. Orlando Pirates, I know they have depth, they have a good team, they have a very, very good team. Are you worried going forward in league matches, because there's so many matches now? There's CAF Confederations Cup as well coming in 2 weeks. Are you worried with Pirates there will be a concern with its depth with these injuries? Hopefully they're not long-term injuries.
Sometimes ihamba nange-selection we-coach uthola ukuthi ebhentshini ufaka abantu abadlala iposition e-1 by 4 goes back ku-coach. Sharp i-reality kuphendula nje le question yakho i-Pirates iphethe i-depth var but right i-question ukuthi is Lorch injured?
Well, there were a lot of players who came out limping at the same time. I remember specifically seeing Ofori going down, Mponjane eventually came in. I remember Mhango, and even so picked this up in the first half. He wasn't running 100%, he went out. I'm not sure whether it's Lorch, but there was someone else, the third person as well. But I'm just asking, Uguti, do you think they have enough depth to carry them with Nedbank Cup, League, CAF Confederations Cup, when you look at the injuries that they suffered today?
The reason ngibuza ukuzophendula i-question yakho the reason ngibuza ngolotha amagame akawaqedi.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, i-reality lengisho. That's why ngibuza ukuthi is injured. So ukuphendula le squad sakho mawuthi squad se-Pirates bane enough depth ukuthi bangakwazi ukwenza. Nguleko i-Pirates have got i-squad but that's why ngibuza ngifuna ukuba sure before ngiphendula ngoba I'm not too sure ukuthi Lorch is injured. I'm not too sure ukuthi umjita inok le ayithole after goal ngikhuluma ngoCapaldino but utho njengoba basho first half he was limping. If kuzoba njalo labajita injured kuzoba nenkinga ngoba sikhuluma ngaba player that they playing regularly. If you're going to bring somebody especially kulama game with DStv Premiership intensity is very high. It's going to be tough with the figure bachita laba buya from understand ngoba kumele balande khona. You understand ngoba ibench mhlambe banokufaka abonkanyiso zungu bekudla laphi. You understand that positioning yakhe is he playing well la Lorch adlala khona? No. So mhlamba ama player la ucoach kuzomela ticket ipa understanding izoba inkinga. Expect ukuthi lo muntu makafika fit like ehlaf uyothola team edlala mhlambe boma 15 games, it's going to be tough. So nkuleko izoba nzima kakhulu. Ngifuna ukwazi, that's why ngifuna ukukubuza before ngiphendula ukuthi uLorch ulimele na noMhango ulimele na, and ukhumbule makulimele uMhango nalomfana ulipesa ulimele i-serious kangakanani injury kaMhango. That's why before ngiphendule. So iba difficult game ukuthi ngiphendule futhi ngoba angazi ukuthi uMhango uphume vele for real nge-injury and injury yakho ithatha isikhathi esikanani. Mhlawumbe ungambona nge-second game. Yabo sikhulume manje kanti uyambona second game. So i very tricky nkuleko no Lorch question ngoba ngibuza ngoba angwaboni mina amagame waqeda. Uyamkhipha lamjita whether is playing and namhlanje ngiyamphakamisela umjita played very well. Ngimbonile the only player beka functiona and kuya system ye-4-2-3-1 you need bonke labantu wodwa ulo mfana lo ngoba bona ukumbona tsheka uMhango utsheka kanje i-reason ukuthi akatholi supplier uyatsheka lande aphume 18 sharp uMhango akusi alternate striker. You understand, but bega more dynamic uMhango uyakwazi ukudlanda eliminate and uyakwazi create something out of nothing. But now bega gimang check positioning yakhe bega phinda ilahle ngoba supply vele wodwa quiet nalo mfana uNdlovu. Yeah, him singila uthumaka uLorch. Yeah,
there you go. That's Junior Khanye's thoughts and Pirates game. I have to agree with him. Not an entertaining game, very difficult to do, but of course we have to do it because we are your servants. We have to analyze the games on your behalf because you will demand the video if we don't shoot it. So yeah, not an enterprising game, but I would say well done to Uthongathi. You were not embarrassed. You had your opportunities as well. Well done to Orlando Pirates as well. Lost on Tuesday. You then rectify some of your mistakes here. So well done. You go through to the next round. Last 16 of the Nedbank Cup. WSB.co.za, iDiskiTimes.co.za, iDiskiTV, close to 70,000 now followers on Facebook as well. Thank you very much for watching the video.